let's again pray. The Stuti of Ganesh Gajananam Bhutganadisevitam Kapittajambu Phalcharu Bhakshanam Umasutam Sokha Vinashkarikam Namami Vighaneshwar Pad Pankajam. Few lines I will explain again today because some confusion is there with many of my disciples. First thing, Kapit Jambu Phal Charu Bhakshanam. Kapit means cat. In Sanskrit there is word. I don't know what it is called in English. That's something like Bilwa Phal. Bilwa, that tree which belongs to Lord Shiva. It is just similar to Bilwa. It's called Kapit. Jambu means Jamun. What you can call blackberry or which berry, I don't know in English. So Lord Ganpati uses these two fruits. He loves these two fruits. And these two fruits are remedies to diabetes. Understood? Very clearly. Because Ganpati always eats modak. Satatam modak priya. So definitely diabetes will be there. So these two things are diabetic remedies which Ganesh is always using. Third thing Ganesh is using is Durva, this special grass called Durva in our Sanskrit literature. So grass is also anti-diabetic. It has the maximum potential of anti-diabetic ingredients. How to use this? Along with these two other things, it's not known to science now, but they are doing experiments. One day they may know. And coming to next lines, Namami Vighaneshwar Pad Pankajam. One word is Vighaneshwar. And before this, Umasutam Shok Vinash Karkam. It is Shok Vinash Karkam. Means removal of all sorrows. Right? And the next line says Vighaneshwar. Vighaneshwar means head of problem. Right? So if he is head of problem, it means he can send problems, he can remove problems. So these two departments goes to Ganpati. He can send problems, he can. Why he will send problem, why he will remove problem, you can understand very well. If you do something nonsense, he has to send problem. If you don't do anything nonsense, then he will enjoy only with modak, not thinking of sending anybody to you. So it's all up to you. How you can utilize your brain, what thoughts, what lessons you have learned from your parents, from your guru, from the scriptures. Based on those knowledges only you can transmit anything in your daily life practice. And whatever you will practice, the same fruits will come to you. So further going to Ganeshji, today is the day of Tuesday, Mangal. Mangal means all good, all welfare things. Nothing unauspicious. All auspicious comes under Mangal, Subham. And I told you that Ganeshji has two kids, Subham, Labham. This Subh thing is always involved with Mangal. And when this Mangal planet was born, he did lot of tapasya to Lord Ganesh. And then Ganeshji blessed him that you will have all my powers with you. The planet Mangal was blessed by Lord Ganpati. After doing lot of tapasya for many years, when you go to Siddhivinayak temple in Bombay, there you will find the story how the Mangal got all blessings from Ganeshji. And lot of descriptions are there about Ganeshji in Mudgal Purana. Mudgal is one Rishi. And when you read Atharvashish, then come across what Isa Ganak Vidya, Ganak Rishi. Ganak was one Rishi. This all comes through Mudgal Puran. Mudgal is one of the grand masters in my lineage from Siddhasram. So he comes 2 steps ahead than my Guruji. So he is Mudgal Rishi. So Ganeshji is also pleased with me because I belong to that lineage. You also belong to me, so he is also with you. Further, I am telling you one thing. How you can live with Ganesh always? What can be done? What Ganesh must be loving always? Ganesh loves only to be with his parents, right? And everybody knows the story that how he was declared to be the first worshipped person because just taking very around parents, just giving importance to parents. He understood the value of parents, so he always loves to be with his parents, Lord Shiva. And what Shiva does? Can you imagine Shiva doing any nonsense thing? Always in meditation, taking poison of everybody's share, swallowing all the poisons, doing all goods only. If your behavior is like that, then only Ganesh will be with you. These stories tell something. If you behave like a Shiv, then Ganesh will be always with you. If Shiva loves something, Ganesh will be always with him. In the morning I was getting intuition about Shiva. He just told me that tell people how to live with Shiva. How to live with Shiva. If you learn how to live with Shiva, then don't worry about Ganesh. He will always live with you. But how to live with Shiva? Again I tell you what I learned from Shiva. One day he appeared to me in Kashi and he said, I am Shiv, you are Shiv, everybody is Shiv. So with that context, you are all Shiva or not? Sure? Further he says, every particle is Shiva. In the beginning he says, I am Shiv. Then you are Shiv. Then all are Shiv. Then every particle is Shiv. Then he says, everything in the universe is Shiv. Nothing can be without Shiv. And wherever there is Shiv, there will be always Shakti. And wherever there is Shakti or Shiv, all the deities will be only there. All the deities. Nothing will miss. That is the format of sealing. And same thing is format of Saligram. The Saligram with Vishnu, sealing with the Shiva, they represent same thing. Don't bifurcate between them. Right? So, he is telling, I am just watching everyone coming to the city of Kashi, that I am searching where is Ramkrishna Paramahansa, where is Yoganand, where is Vivekanand, where is some high elevated soul, where are thieves, where are dacoits, where are robbers. And if everything is there, just Shiva says, some people are making me to weep. Some people are making me to elevate. So I am suffering with some, I am enjoying with some, I am being elevated with some, and I am being pulled down by some. What we should do? We should pull down that Shiva inside us. We should try to liberate the Shiva inside us. And when we talk of liberation, what we really liberate? We are not liberating anything, because our soul is not independent. Any soul is always linked with Shiva. You can say Shiva, you can say God, you can say eternal lineage, you can give any name. You are linked with that only. So unless you go on evolving that soul inside with you with all the powers, Sa Atma Sayev Paramatma, right? Supreme Soul. So whenever we talk of such things, only Shiva is developing inside you. He is evolving you. And whatever he is expressing through us. Every behavior of you is expressing that what you have made of that Shiva who is residing inside you. So this is all up to you, what you are reflecting, what you are giving society. If you are giving Shivhood, the values of Shiva, then actually you are making a big change in society. If you are getting all nonsense things, then you are pulling down that Shiva. And the qualities of the Shiva, the first quality is always he is free from sex factor. And remember, what? Sex factor. God of sex cannot bother him. And you think of this earth, everybody is bothered only about big funny thing, sex. Talking all nonsense about. They will say liberation, allow this, that, freedom. But what about Shiva? He said no freedom to this one, finish it. And he burnt that Kamdev. If we want that really we should be elevated, we want that we should be really going stateward Siddhasam, and if we really feel that we should feel proud of our Indian culture, then the sex element should be always under control. This is what has been told by Hanumanji. Many, why only in India the celibates are there, brahmacharis are there, why not in other countries? They should be. So with Shiva, with Ganesh, you have to be very careful about this topic. I will not speak in detail about that. The time is not there and I don't prefer this topic to speak. Right? But we have to take some more control. Control on language. I told you. Otherwise, Bagla Mukhi will take control of you. Shiva cannot die. Why we are suffering with so many diseases? To go and meet somebody. A lot of people come to me from different countries. Guruji, you know Guruji, vitamin D deficiency. I will smile. I know, with you it is there. What about you, Guruji? I am not deficient of vitamin D. And why, Guruji? You know, do you see ad in TV? In India, there comes a TV ad. There is a lady who is telling his child, two ladies are sitting there. One saying, hey, you give daily milk to your? Yeah, I give. What about calcium? Mother is saying, it takes from the milk. No, this calcium will not work unless you add some vitamin D. And then you go with one company's brand. Why all these brands are just coming today? Till now, so many diseases were not there, nothing. Every day new bacteria is developing. Why? Everything going anti-God. So you have all created some anti-God element, I think. But God is God. Nothing can be done to him. I am just giving importance of Shiva then with Ganpati. Right? Ganpati was with diabetes, he controlled diabetes. And he told me, diabetes cannot harm you if you are really a devotee to Shiva. And again I am telling, when I say Shiva, it doesn't mean only Shiva. It means Vishnu, it means Durga, it means Kali, it means Hanuman, all. Because any devotee can cure you. Right? So don't get afraid. Everything is under your control. Nothing is impossible for you. But you have just to observe what you are making of the Shiva, which is always with you inside you. What we have to observe? What we are making of the Shiva, which is freely available with us without paying anything, and is always inside us without going to even any temple, not giving any charity, not doing any rituals, nothing doing, not paying donations, no feeding food, nothing, not at all. Only you have to observe what I am making of that Shiva which is inside me. And how am I behaving always with him? First you think of your Shiva, then think of your partner's Shiva, then think of family Shiva. If you go on thinking like this of Shiva, the whole world becomes Shiva. And then one day you will say, oh, Shiva, where? Then no curses, no negativity, nothing else. Then only permanent bliss with you. And whenever it is there with somebody, Ganesh will be always there. Then any Vigna coming to you will be definitely finished by Ganesh. So he is called Vigna Karta, Vigna Harta Cha. Lord Ganpati, you can create Vignas, you can remove them. And same thing is being told about Hanumanji. Every deity says same thing. Matta Prakriti Prasataka Ma Bhaya, Kim Bhaya Samapasthitam. All deities in their incarnation say same thing. Maybe Vishnu coming as Narsim, maybe Durga coming in any form. Any deity they say, Ma Bhaya, Mat Daro. Don't be afraid, I am there. They are there. We are not there. Why they are not working with us? Because we have finished the divine factor inside us. We have made all our habits like demons. We are eating demonic things. We are behaving all nonsense. Always talking nonsense and negatives to others. Never thinking of these three words of Kamakhya. Go and read big volumes of books. Go and listen Katha and many stories. Go on listening. What is essence of all? Somebody asked me about Vedanta few days back. I tell what to think of Vedanta. Just only 3 sentences of Kamakhya. They are all in all about religion. Can you practice that? Only 3 sentences. all condensed so easily. What is first one?
माफ करना सीखो.
Try to even forgive the enemies. Very simple and very difficult. Very difficult practice. We cannot forget. Even just for example, something between two of you here goes on about any topic. You will start, your breath rate will be high. What I am telling, hey, control your breath, hold your tongue, control your mind, control your anger. But you are losing everything. Because of what? A silly talk, having no value at all. And once you are out of this office, the talk has no meaning at all. But again, when you will meet that person, then it means you are not living a perfect life. So try to learn how to live with Shiva. Shiva forgives everyone. Even the demons also go and pray to him. Once I went to one place in Faridabad, near Delhi, about 35 years back. There was one Kabir Panthi sitting there. One saint was there. So I was just young enough at that time. I went there. I sat there. There was one fire, and he was just taking some ganja-like thing. And yes, who are you? I told. Whom you pray? I said, I pray Shiva. He got furious at me. Hey, get out from here, he said. You be away from this room. I said, what wrong I did? The thing was, he was alone, I was also alone. Right? His body was little bit not as strong as mine, and I was young enough, he was quite aged. I thought if he does something nonsense, I will give him good lesson today. I asked, what wrong I did? You are shouting? No, you belong to Shiva. I asked, what is wrong with Shiva? No, he did to demons. He always blesses the demons. Go out of this place. I said, okay, I will go out. But tell me one thing, whom you are praying? He said, I am praying Kabir Das. I said, then what mantra Kabir Das got from his guru? Ram mantra. He said, yeah, it is Ram mantra. I said, whom Ram is always praying? Shiva. Ah. No, still you have to go. I said, I will not go. Unnecessary furious. Being religious. What is the first proof that you are religious? Samadrishti. Akrodha. You are daily reading Gita. Right? Following anything? Tulya Ninda Astutir Moni. Tulya Ninda Astutir Moni means if somebody is praising you or abusing you, still you are always. So what I am teaching you? Just smile. Somebody is praising, hey, you are so. Be alarmed that he is having some bad intention with me. Why is praising unnecessarily? There is nothing in anybody that you can be really praised. Right? 10 persons are praising you, just go in the house, wife will reduce you to anything. What does it prove? Really you don't deserve praises. One day even wife may praise you if you bring some good gift. Okay? Second moment, one day boss will say, oh, you are a good one. Second day, you are fired. What does this prove? So, in Gita, Krishna is saying, Tulya Ninda Stutir Mauni. What Ganesh says, I have no concern with anybody. I always enjoy with my these two kids, Subham Labham, Riddhim Siddhim, and always with Modak. Because I am totally protected by divine mother and my father. Simple logic with Ganesh. Why so happy? He is totally assured that divine mother in so much formats, right, is with me. And my father always at peace. So do you think that these Parvati and Shiva are not our mother and father? They are ours or not? Or they belong only to Ganesh ji?
No.
Think again and again. Think for 5 days. Still there are 5 days with Ganesh ji. The moment you will prove to Shiva and Parvati that you are not less than Ganesh, right? They will take you and put you in their lap. Because we also belong to him. We have equal right, whatever rights Ganesh has got. But we are not utilizing our rights. We are afraid of going to him because we are not behaving in the proper divine way. So this is what Shiva wants. Shiva wants that we should learn life to live with Shiva. So try to live with Shiva, then he will be with the Ganesh, then he will be with all good things. Now coming to planet Mars, today is Mangalvar. I tell you in brief that Mangal is the head of few things I am telling. First thing, energy format, confidence level, decision making capacity. What will really make you successful? Decision making capacity or lingering on all the decisions? What do you think will be the best one? To decide something or to keep on lingering?
Decide something.
Those persons who lack energies with them, energies are of many types, they cannot decide anything. They will just say, what to do? I don't have this support, that support, that support. God is always there with you. Why you are not taking his support? You are depending upon normally mortal persons. They will never do anything in your favor. That's why Shankaracharya says, na tato, na mata, na bandhu, na bhrata, na pita, na putro. Nobody can help you. Only your soul can help you. That too only in that condition when you get yourself linked with God. That's why Arjuna is being told by Krishna, Yogastha kuru karma dhananjaya. Arjun, do karma. Be yogas first, then do karma. Not just telling them go on doing karma. What karma do? Everybody is doing karma. And then people will say, you know Guruji, karma hi puja hai. I will say, don't teach me. कौन सा कर्म पूजा है भाई? Which कर्म is worship? What कर्म you are doing? Going to earn bread only, going to service in office. Do you think it is puja? You are just going to do that service to your boss without getting anything, without expecting anything in return. Whatever you are doing in exchange of returns, that can never be taken under category of puja. Remember, the big difference between worship and these things. People call a work is worship. You call, it's not worship. Selfless work, we worship, but we don't follow. So these things I am telling you, because when we go with planet Mars, these are the ruling planets which make you to take quick decisions and on big scale decisions. If today you are investing in some big property, good decision, then yes, you may earn so much. And today you are hesitating, oh, you know, prices may go down, this will happen, that may happen, you know, my father purchased a property and he suffered a loss, and then why should I go? My father went for a business, he suffered a loss, and I should go in service only. Then you cannot be high. You have to decide. Strong decisions, top decisions, they come only through planet Mars. And if anybody's planet Mars is very strong, then he will have big houses, strong decisions. When you meet them, you look at their eyes, you listen to their talks, you will feel power. Look our Prime Minister, how he talks. I really love Narendra Modi. So much confident. Just see his walk. Gate. When he was being chosen as a candidate in the beginning, people asked me to my ashram, Guruji, who will win? I told everybody, look, all the faces of all the contestants, you will know who will win. It's common astrology I am telling you. How to know? Sit here, any person coming to you, you sit there, call, hey, you come to me, just by the way, from here to here, you will know this man, what category he belongs. You will know, and you can predict immediately. His Mangal or anybody's Mangal, if it's very strong, then decisions will be always strong. And in time, right? And if Mangal is not happy, then one thing remember, and you can never clear your debts. Always you will be in loan. And anybody dying with loan, he cannot go to heaven. Maybe you have heard Bhagavad Katha 1,000 times. Because unless clear the debts, Ren Mukti Bina, no entry anywhere. You have to repay that debt, you have to come on the earth. This is the reason of the major factors about rebirth, debt. And debt is of many types, not only money. somebody has done great service to you, you have not repaid anything to him, then again you have to come. So be very careful. This all belongs to planet Mars. Good house, big house, everything. And premature death, accidental death, especially breaking of bones and wherever blood operations, these all belong to planet Mars.
Mars.
If Mars and Saturn, they are together, you have to go many times for operation. Remember, if planet Mars is not okay, then nobody can treat you from diabetes. And then your blood will never be strong enough. You know, people test hemoglobin, they say resistance power is gone low. Right? Every power goes low because of blood only. Red particles reduce, hemoglobin low. What is that red particle? Anything red is only planet Mars. Understood? If you want, you think that you should be free from lot of disease, go and learn the importance of planet Mars. Take his Diksha. And about Rinmukti, there are many stotras with the Rinmukti, Ganesh Rinmukti Stotra, Hanumanji Rinmukti Stotra, Shiva Rinmukti Stotra, Vishnu Rinmukti Stotra, but all are related with the only planet
Mars.
If you want that your debt should be clear very quickly, go for planet Mars. These techniques I have revealed, I have told. You can read my magazines, book sections, or you can ask from our ashram. And for that you can take initiation for Rinmukti. It's different thing. There you have to use coral. Right? Everything is power. What is in Tantra? Tantra takes in use everything's power. Tantra knows there is some power in this plant, he will utilize this, that Tantra. He will take this either in hand or with mala or anything. He will utilize that power. In Tantra we know there is some power with lemon. Then why everywhere you go in Parasakti, you see sometimes they are putting lemon mala around her. Right? Durva mala to Ganesh. These tantrics know Durva has something. So they will utilize all these. So to remove that diabetes, they have given a big talk how to remove diabetes by way of this therapy. About planet Mars also, a lot of things have been disclosed. If somebody feels interest, go and contact India or contact Sampark or try to contact me. Definitely, lot of things are available for you. So I think it is all for today. So again I am summarizing, Ganesh will be only with those persons who really learn and try to understand how to live with the okay, and understand about planet Mars. All for today. My blessings to you.